Did you know you can whip up a healthy dinner in just 20 minutes? Today, we're sharing 5 delicious and nutritious dinners perfect for busy nights. With our hectic schedules, cooking healthy meals can be a real challenge, but it doesn't have to be. You can eat healthy even on the craziest days. Let's tackle that together. We'll explore 5 recipes, highlighting key ingredients and methods to ensure you eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. First up, we have lemon garlic shrimp with asparagus. Sauté shrimp and asparagus in olive oil, add garlic, a squeeze of lemon, and you're good to go. Let's make a quick quinoa salad with black beans, corn, and avocado. Toss everything together for a filling, nutrient-packed dish. One-pan chicken stir-fry with colorful veggies. Quick, easy, and cleanup is a breeze. Healthy recipes.